A Game of Chase, My Initial Misunderstanding, written by Robert Greene. I'll admit the concept of ignore her and she'll chase you initially struck me as a manipulative game. Like many, I envisioned a strategic withholding of attention, a calculated ploy to spark a woman's interest. I tried it, of course, with a woman who captivated me. The result? Disastrous. Not only did she not chase, but she seemed to lose interest altogether. What I failed to grasp was the deeper psychology at play, the delicate balance between absence and presence, between confidence and desperation. Unmasking the illusion, it's not about ignoring her. The problem with the phrase, ignore her and she'll chase you, is its literal interpretation. It's not about becoming an emotionally unavailable ghost, vanishing from her life to manufacture a void. That strategy reeks of insecurity, a desperate attempt to control the situation. The true power lies in understanding what truly attracts: confidence, self-sufficiency, a life brimming with purpose. When you are genuinely engaged in your own pursuits, your attention becomes a valuable commodity, something to be earned, not demanded. The seduction of scarcity, why playing hard to get works. The human psyche is wired to desire what is scarce. We place higher value on things that are rare, exclusive, or difficult to obtain. This principle, known as the scarcity principle, applies powerfully in the realm of attraction. By not constantly showering a woman with attention, you create an aura of scarcity around yourself. You become a prize, a challenge, sparking a primal desire for pursuit. This isn't about playing games, it's about understanding the inherent dynamics of attraction. Decoding neediness, when attention becomes repellent. Neediness, the antithesis of confidence, acts as a potent repellent. It signals insecurity, a lack of self-worth, a belief that you need external validation to feel complete. Women are acutely attuned to these subtle cues. They detect it in your constant need for reassurance, your clingy behavior, your inability to let her breathe in the relationship. This isn't about playing it cool, it's about cultivating a strong sense of self, an inner strength that doesn't crumble without constant affirmation. The spectrum of neediness, from subtle cues to desperate measures. Neediness manifests in a spectrum of behaviors, from subtle to glaringly obvious. At one end, you have the constant texter, bombarding her with messages, craving a response. Then there's the approval seeker, fishing for compliments, needing constant validation. On the extreme end lies the jealous type, possessive and controlling, threatened by any interaction she has with other men. These behaviors stem from a place of insecurity, a belief that you are not enough. The magnetism of confidence, embracing your worth. Confidence is magnetic. It speaks volumes without uttering a word. It's the way you carry yourself, the surety in your voice, the unwavering belief in your own worth. Confident men are comfortable in their own skin. They have passions, goals, and a zest for life that extends beyond seeking validation from others. This self-assuredness is intoxicating, drawing women in with its quiet power. Beyond the chase-building genuine attraction and connection, the ignore her concept, properly understood, is not about manipulation. It's about self-discovery, about cultivating a life so rich and fulfilling that you become the prize. This inner transformation naturally attracts. Women are drawn to men who are comfortable in their own skin, men who exude an air of confidence and self-assurance. This isn't about playing games, it's about becoming the best version of yourself. Mastering the art of detachment. Finding freedom in non-neediness. Detachment is not about emotional unavailability, it's about emotional freedom. It's the ability to be fully present in a relationship without being consumed by it. It's about having your own life, your own passions, your own sense of self. This detachment paradoxically makes you more attractive. It signals that you are not clinging, not desperate, but choosing to be with her from a place of strength and independence. The ultimate reward, attracting love through self-love. The irony is that the less you chase, the more you attract. When you shift your focus from seeking external validation to cultivating your own self-worth, you become irresistible. Women are drawn to men who radiate confidence, who live with purpose, who are comfortable in their own skin. The ultimate reward is not a chase, but a genuine connection built on mutual respect, admiration, and a shared zest for life.